Aloha and welcome to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges, brought to you by After School All Stars Hawaii. I'm Coach Paka, and today we'll be making strawberry orange juice smoothie. Okay, now we're going to go over our ingredients and our supplies that we'll be needing to make our strawberry orange juice smoothie. Some orange juice, some frozen whole strawberries, a banana, a cup ice, which I measured already, a cutting board, a knife, measuring cup, some cups for tasting, and a blender. Okay, let's start with our bananas first. I'm gonna take the peel, crack it open, peel it. Like so. Always remember knife safety. Always tuck your hands in as you're cutting. Don't want no accidents. Those in. Orange juice. We're gonna measure a cup of orange juice. Get that. And we're gonna get a cup of strawberries. We're gonna put our ice. And now we're gonna blend. You can blend for 15 to 30 seconds depending on the texture that you want. Okay, now the best part, the taste test. Oh, it's good. It's real good. Also, here's a fun fact. Orange juice is the most popular fruit juice in America. There are over 600 varieties of oranges. Gonna take another sip. Yes, definitely very worth it. It's good. Okay, now let me know how your smoothie came out and taste in the comments below. Also, can you name one of the 600 varieties of oranges?